All right, welcome back. Time to check in with Mike Epple over at 680. We're going to talk markets. We're going to talk Uber. But, of course, I want to ask if you stayed up for the wraps.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you, did you have trouble falling asleep after that?
So much trouble because your mind's
Really?
going, oh, yeah.
See, I slept soundly because it would have been worse had they lost.
Very true. But then you're kind of just, you're riled up, right?
I know. I was thinking, about iconic moments and the way the shot dropped. It took forever, it seemed like. But remember, in other historical events in sports, when Tiger Woods on that 18th hole and the Nike ball sitting on the edge of the hole just rolling in, things like that. But in Toronto history, this is bat flip. This is Gilmore on Cujo back in the day.
Oh, unreal.
Iconic.
I know. We're talking about this all morning long. We're going to loop that about 100 times, but worth it. So
I know. And now I'm going to be Debbie Downer in the morning because talking about the markets are a mess. Good morning, Melanie. We're looking at the stock markets sell off a little bit to start the week, and this is all related to U.S.-China trade. We talked about this Friday, how the Trump administration was going ahead with these new tariffs on Chinese exports, and even one of Trump's top officials on the weekend, Larry Kudlow, was admitting, this is going to hit everybody, consumers, businesses, both sides, as he dubbed it. But nevertheless, markets don't like the uncertainty, and this could go on for weeks because the next key meetings that are coming up are the G20 summit, and that's not until late June. And maybe then the U.S. gets together with China, the leadership gets to meet, and this could go on for a while. So we're watching Dow futures this morning tumble by 300 points. The Canadian economy seems pretty resilient. Springtime numbers in Friday morning showed record-breaking job creation for the month of April. 106,000 jobs added. We've never seen a number that big. Economists saying might be an outlier, but you can't even if it's half that, 106,000, it's still really good. And the unemployment rate down to 5.7%, and a lot of job creation right here at home in Ontario, 47,000 according to the Stats Can tabulators. Might be some revisions, but nevertheless, a spring in the step for the Canadian economy, certainly to kick off the second quarter. And was it Uber under Uber? The debut of Uber on Friday, let's face it, came into the trading day on a lousy week. Investors were kind of wondering, okay, this is a company that's losing $3 billion a year, so what's it really worth? And maybe some of the initial investors were selling. Uber opened at 45, closed at $41.57. So, this idea that, tech stocks always go up. Nope, not so much. And it's down again this morning, Melanie, trading below 41. So thought maybe we'd see a pop, but again, under the market circumstances, kind of tough to bring a stock public and get out from under the weight of all of the other negativity that's going on.
Yeah, some not great timing there. All right. Thanks so much, Mike. We'll talk to you in a little bit.
Okay.